Hey guys, what's up? It's Sean, Autotopia LA. Today we're out at Streets of Willow for a track day. I've got my car out here. My buddy Chris brought out Vicious Mustang. The hoodie's on because it's freezing right now. It's in the mid-30s, starting to warm up. I think we've got about 40 cars out here. We're gonna be running a few different run groups. We're gonna have a blast, so hold on, because here we go, man. All right, so we're getting ready to run right now. First group's gonna be up. Chris and Vicious and I are gonna go in the second group, so is Kyle. You know, like Vicious wasn't crazy enough. There was limitations on throttle input, which is great for street driving. The downside is when you're downshifting in the car, we haven't been getting a rev match. So the only way to get rev match was to uncork this thing so you can get 100% throttle input at first through 6th gear. The upside is we're gonna be getting rev matches. The downside is with it uncorked, we haven't dynoed it, but based on the math, now the car went from 1,000 at the rear wheel to like 1420, 1430, somewhere around there at the wheel. So it's gonna be a pretty intense ride like it wasn't already. But we are getting ready to go, man. Group A is about to get out on track. So it's time, let's go run. All right, kids, here we go for session number 2. My car doesn't have anywhere near the grip of Chris's car. But for a street car, this thing works pretty well, doesn't it? Right. Definitely fast.
drone out there, man.
Me too.
Like, I just saw it flying above us.
Is it?
He's right behind us.
Nice. Yeah, I can hear him. That blind section's just nuts. You just gotta point and go. You gotta trust that the road's there, you know what I mean?
And then it's like heavy braking too. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Kyle was just drifting this whole shit.
Of course.
It was sputtering when I was going into third gear. It was going brrr, brrr.
You know, we did what you're supposed to do at the track. You have a great time and everybody gets to drive their car home. Except, of course, Vicious, which ate itself again. The serpentine belt went on it. We figured out probably what there is to do is start running a bit less boost at the supercharger and more turbo. But nonetheless, we had a blast. Kyle was getting sideways plenty of time. Paul thought about taking out the Mazda, but he decided to just keep shooting, which we're all glad for that. Our buddy Jake brought out the drone and shot some killer footage for us. Had a blast driving Vicious. Unfortunately, that last session, the serpentine belt went on it. So the car needs some more shakedown, but it's close. I tell you this much, it handled incredibly well. Almost no body roll. Car never broke loose. Just incredible, man. This is such a bonkers car. And then my wonderful ZL1 did exactly what it's supposed to do. Had a blast, got to drive, you know, very fast, and I'll drive that thing home with music playing and air conditioning blasting. So we've had an incredible day out here at the track. Hope you guys had fun with us. You know, as always, thanks for hanging and watching and supporting what we do. And I will see you in the next episode. All right, man. Later.